back to another session of using technical analysis to trade the markets. So today we're going to look at something a little bit different. We will be looking at how to scalp the markets, right? So we're going to get in and out really fast. And what we're looking at right now is Aussie yen. Today will be an advanced trading technique called Fibonacci. It combines a lot with harmonics, right? But I'll be showing you how we do it. Right, the first we're going to take a look for a very nice zigzag kind of formation. You can see it comes all the way here, right? You can see a very nice zigzag, okay? And we can see that's a 78.6 extension down here. We don't look at the extension levels that have been taken out, right? Instead, we look at the important ones down here. And the next thing I do is I take an there's a traditional Fibonacci extension, and there's the and there is this one where it's called a Fibonacci retracement, right? So an extended Fibonacci retracement will bring us about here. Price is not exactly there yet. It looks like almost reacted off there, but anyway, we found that three levels kind of line up around here. What we're going to do next is we're going to take a reversed Fibonacci retracement, and the 161.8 retracement lands us over here. So we can find 3 levels land us, actually 4 levels land us at this very nice level. I'm just going to go for one last one, see if we can find anything. Nope, nothing else. So so really big level there. I want to see from a longer term perspective if that level lines up with anything else. So I'll take one all the way from the bottom to the top, and nope, it's really far away. So that is fine, right? Because it's a long stretch for there. And what we're seeing now is that there's this big level here. I'm going to go in for a long position about here. So this will be my buy entry. I'll be looking at here for my buy entry, right? Probably look for here to play a bounce. How far will I play this bounce to? Definitely to this resistance here, right? Because we don't want to play it too far. We're just going for a simple move. We're going to play it to this level. This would be our take profit. Okay, we're not going to play a bit too far. We're just going to play up to this this overlap pullback level. Okay, where we're going to put our stop loss, we always put it beyond the next key Fibonacci level. So I'm going to put my stop loss a little bit below 88%. So if this is, I'm going to put it maybe about 50 here. If you want to be slightly safer, you can put it at 46, right? And that will be where my stop loss is. Okay, looking to play the nice little bounce up to here. Yeah, looking to play a nice little bounce up to here. This is what we call Fibonacci confluence. It's different from our usual style, right? Why we're not going to play too high is because we have to take note of the larger the larger momentum is that it's going down, right? We're not going to be so optimistic to see to try to play price going all the way up. We just want to play the bounce up to here, and that is enough for us to get a good 1 to 3 kind of risk reward. But yeah, this is our setup today. If you have questions, remember to ask me in the comment section below, or head over to our site at InstaForex, where we're constantly posting a lot of these trading ideas, and we can definitely explain it better, especially when you want to dive a little bit deeper into the chaos theory and Fibonacci. Okay, that's it from me, guys. Thank you, and trade safely.